Nowadays, Huawei not only at the forefront of 5G technology in the world, but also has the largest number of 5G patents. So is it complicated to repair Huawei phones? In this video, we are going to repair a faulty Huawei Mate40RS Porsche collection version. According to customer, this phone has no signal service after screen broken. How to repair it? As customer told, after testing we confirmed other functions, all work well except no signal service. Before repairing, it is necessary to ensure phone faults are same as customer told and has no other hidden faults in order to avoid disputes. Considering customer has replaced screen, we guess motherboard was faulty soldered caused by a heavy drop. Now let's repair it. First, set CPV separation heating station at 80 degrees to heat back cover for 3 minutes. Suck back cover with a suction cup, insert a metal opener and e-Cooper opening card to separate screen and back cover. Unbolt all screws on motherboard. Disconnect battery and other connector flexes. Remove rear and front cameras. At this time, we can remove motherboard. Usually, we will inspect whether motherboard has corrosion, deformation or other problems before repairing. After inspection, there is no obvious damage and repairing trace on motherboard. So how to repair such no service faults? Same as iPhone double layer motherboard, this type of problem is the most common fault, occurs after motherboard was heavily dropped. Due to the design characters of double-layer motherboard, it is easy to cause faulty soldered problems. Put motherboard on fixture. Heating it with a 350 degrees hot air gun to separate. Inspect solder joints on upper and lower board, no pins dropped. We suppose that motherboard may be faulty soldered. Drag pins on the upper board with electric soldering iron and desoldering wick. Reballing upper board with reballing stencil and middle temperature solder paste. Remove reballing stencil and heat it into tin balls. Apply soldering flux on lower board pins evenly, put on upper board, align position. Heat motherboard with a 310 degrees hot air gun to put it back. Put motherboard into Huawei Mate40RS. Install front and rear cameras. Install shield plate. Put back cover back and test phone functions again. We can see that signal appears. Phone call works and other functions work normally. No service fault repaired successfully. If you have any other problems about Huawei phones repair, welcome to leave your comments. Don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe our channel. We will launch more great videos soon.